Did you ever send an email that you regretted to send it on the minute right after? Or how many times have you asked someone to delete an email that was sent by mistake? How many times did you press the send button and on the next second you realized that the attachment was missing? Or maybe you forgot to check who was the audience and just a few moments later you came to know that you should not have sent that email to those people? What if I tell you that you can configure one rule in Outlook that can prevent you to send wrong mails? Yes, this rule exists and it's very simple to configure. Let's see the intro and ensure that you are not going to lose your job. Hello professionals, and welcome back to one more awesome tip to improve your capability to not be fired. Yes, my friends, I have been there, and trust me, sending wrong mails can cost someone's job. Who is telling this is someone who already lost a job because of sending wrong mails. Sending mails is still a very important piece of the modern world and still strongly present in the vast majority of the big corporations. The migration trend to more collaborative tools like Teams, Slack, etc. is still crawling on corporate companies, but being widely accepted in small ones as well as startups. While we are not there yet and we have to live with Outlook for a while, let's start learning how to get your job safe. But before it, aren't you subscribed yet? It's been 1.5 minutes that you are here with me. You are for sure interested, don't you? The subscription button is right here down on the right side. This would be a tremendous help in growing my small channel and supporting me in keeping posted these tips. So guys, this is a blank Outlook. And let's send one email here. I'm gonna send this email to my other inbox, and let's call it test 1, all right? Body of the test 1. And let's send this email. See here? Sending. So far so good, right? Nothing but the usual. We come here to my other inbox. I will press here to sync. See, even before to press, see the email already coming. Working normally, right? But what if this email was sent by mistake? I sent to wrong person, missing attachment, wrong audience, etc. So let's see how to prevent Outlook to send emails right away. Let's delete this one. I will come here to my inbox, click on File. I'll click here on Manage Rules and Alerts. I will create a new rule. I will choose here. And guys, pay very attention. I will choose down here, apply rule on message I sent. Then I will skip this. I will check nothing on this. Which condition do you want to check? I want none, because I want this rule to be applied for every single email that I'll send now on. I'll press send. You guys see this warning message here? It's saying, hey, be careful because you are applying to everything. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. Now, I will choose this option here, defer delivery by a number of minutes. I'll click down here, I'll put a number 2. I like a 2 minutes delay. I'll press next, and I will now define one exception. And I will get there in a minute why you need one exception. Choose this one here of category. This is the one I found myself working better. And let's choose here green category. Just do it guys, I will explain you right in a minute. So, save my job. It's the name of the rule. Alright, I will just finish, apply, and we are done. Now you guys are asking me, okay Diogo, but what is this defer? This 2 minutes defer that you did. What's gonna happen now? For every mail that I will send after I press the send button, the email will not leave my outbox until 2 minutes after I send the email. Let's see the screen. Again, I'll come to the email. I will choose my other mail here. I will type now test 2. This is the body of the test 2 with 2 minutes defer. Alright, send. See down here guys? Nothing happening. Alright, I'll click here. See, it's syncing. Nothing happened. I'll come to my inbox here, syncing, nothing happening. See my outbox up here on the left? The email is still here. It's still here stuck. Because Outlook is waiting 2 minutes for it to depart. So why this is important? And guys, this is experience talking. 2 minutes is good enough for you to remember to not send that email, to remember that you missed something, because the majority of people that don't check the email before sending will have this thought after sending. Hey, did I miss something? And then you are gonna think, oh shit, I missed my boss, I missed the attachment, it was sent to the wrong person. Hey, that audience was the correct one for my email. So these thoughts will come after you press the send button. For this type of people, this is the rule for you. Let's go back to the screen. Let's still be pressing here to sync. And now let's speed up until this email goes. Okay, see here guys, the mail left my outbox 2 minutes after. Now let's come here to the inbox of the other mail and wait, see, the mail just came. Few seconds after it left my outbox. So guys, this rule is the one that will save your job. Alright, let's see the bonus now. What if your boss call you and say, send me this document right now? Or your partner, or your customer, send me this email right now. You don't want to wait just 2 minutes, you want to send email right away, right? So how to skip this rule? Let's see the screen. Again, new email to myself. Let's call it a test 3, and let's put here test 3 having the rule to skip the 2 minutes defer. Alright, now we're gonna click on options and click here on this little icon down here on the bottom right corner. Down here on this pop-up, properties pop-up, on categories button, choose bring category. Remember, this is the one that we chose back there at the beginning. We're gonna close and we're gonna hit send. Once we do it, see, the email was sent right away. And the email just came here to my box with the green category, which is the one that applies for the exception. So that category, if you ever choose that category for that email, that is the exception, and the email will go right away. Guys, this rule saved me, prevented me to do lots of mistakes. So this is my tip for you this week, the rule to save your job. What are your thoughts about this rule? You didn't know that you could do it, right? Feeling safer now while sending emails? I am. I have been using this rule for at least 10 years, and trust me folks, it already saved me for several dozen of mistakes. I still made some, who doesn't? And at 100% of these exceptional mistakes that I made while having this rule in place, they happened because I applied the exception. So be very careful when applying the exception. Think 3 times before to send the email, and if you ever think that this email you are sending has a slight chance to cause confusion or causing problems, check with your peers, check with your supervisor, your manager, your team before to send that email for you to be on the safe side. Emails are documents, emails are legal documents. Emails can really cause you a lot of trouble. Not even only losing a job, it can even cost you money, and someone can sue you because of that. So be very careful with mails. Share your comments down here, folks. I would like to hear your opinion. And by the way, you can also configure similar rule like this in Gmail too. Aren't you subscribed yet? If you haven't seen until here, that means that you like it, right? So what are you waiting for? Please help me subscribe to my small channel and help me keep posting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video.